love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
What's up, YouTube? Today we are working on the salvage title Corvette. This is a salvage title C6 that I picked up on Friday. It got hit in the passenger door and needs a little bit of work, so let me show you around this thing. So here it got hit in the passenger door, and the rocker was damaged, and then the frame was damaged. So I picked it up, the frame was already patched, so this is a new piece here. So it needs a new rocker all the way up in here, see? And then it needs a couple other things, but right now the problem is I can't get the door to shut or to latch because the quarter panel is too tight. It needs about another quarter or a half inch here to get this thing back to where it needs to be. That's what I'm going to work on today, try to get this thing wrapped up. It's a 08 LS3 6-speed manual, 25,000 miles, Jetstream Blue. This is a pretty nice ride. I'm very happy with it. Picked it up from a body shop. He just needed the cash for some medical expenses, and that's how I got with it here. Anyway, I'll show you the hatch here. There's a little bit of damage on this side too. A little repair there, and then a little repair here. Nothing we can't handle. There's the hatch open, so you can see I'm working on this. I got a couple little things to do here, but nothing we can't handle. Anyway, I'm going to try to get this stuff moved around so I can get this door to shut. And then after that happens, I just have to assemble the door. It doesn't have glass or a window regulator or anything in it now. So that's about it. Anyway, I'll make some progress and then I'll get back with you guys later. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? I just have a little update here on the C6 Corvette, so let me show you around. We'll get right into it here. I put a new quarter panel on the car, so I have no more damage here. It is in really nice condition now. The paint seems to match. I got the quarter panel off of eBay, shipped to the house. It wasn't very expensive. It's pretty dusty. I haven't washed it yet, but the paint seems to match pretty nicely other than the dust. I do have to take care of this piece of damage here. It's got some here. Let's see if I can get it on the camera here. It does have some damage right here and then leading into this crack. I'm probably just gonna have to try to find a new tail panel. I don't know if I'll be able to repair this so it looks as nice as the factory edge. So other updates is I got the door to close. The gap is decent. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. There is no rocker panel in it yet, so this piece is not where it's supposed to be, but I can adjust it. The door does close. We have to use the manual door opener right here. All Corvettes come with these. So it does latch. The latch is right here. This door is bare. I did pick up a new door from a guy off Craigslist. This one's complete. It's got the glass, the window regulator, the inner speakers. It's got everything in it ready to go. So I just have to transfer everything to the new door from the old door, and then we'll paint it, and it'll be good. The rocker panel should be here tomorrow, so I can start working on that. I'm going to cut it, fit it, take it back off, paint it, and then fit it again, and then I will repair the seam, then I will paint the seam, and then it should be good to go. Then I can get it inspected. As soon as I get it inspected, it's legal for the road, I can start driving it again. But anyway, remember this door is hollow, so it does sound a little wonky, but it does close. The gap is pretty decent. It's not bad. It'll work for now. Remember, this is a salvage title C6 Corvette. I don't have a lot of money into this guy, and that's okay. So I think that's all the updates I have right now on the Corvette. Oh, I did order an axle back off the internet from a guy. So hopefully that gets here soon so we can start working on that. Just has stock pipes in it now. No big deal. You will see the full license plate on here. I grabbed that so that when I drove it to the body shop, it wouldn't look so obvious. The body shop is a couple blocks away from me, that way. So it's not a huge deal. I don't even have to leave town. But anyway, that's all the update I have on the Corvette here. Corvette. My buddy calls it the Corvette because he likes to play GTA. Anyway, thanks for watching. And that's all the updates I have for you right now on the Corvette. When I get more parts in and I get more stuff done, I'll get back with you. But for right now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.